All right, guys, man. I'm gonna break this thing down. I'm gonna show you some pairs that I'm focusing on this week. So you guys have a pair or two that you normally trade. I usually have a list of them, but I only like focusing on 2 to 3 pairs, um, minimum every time I trade per week. There's no sense in really, excuse me, trading a lot of pairs, man. Just because the market is moving doesn't mean you always have to 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 chase it or make money. Sometimes I map out some of these pairs and I don't even trade them, but I still get some satisfaction knowing that it went the way that I wanted to go. So I'm looking at USD CAD, man. I'm gonna just do a quick. I don't want to. I'm not gonna do a full breakdown analysis. You guys know how I trade. But from the hour time frame, man, I see price just broke. Price just broke this level of structure. Obviously, this was the lower high. We got to break a lower high. So pretty much pull my fibs just to see where price is currently at. Price right now is in 23.6. Guys, you do know that in 23.6 is only two things that we can see, right? And that's consolidation or continuation. Now, I believe a continuation is going to happen for the simple fact that I see a lot of a lot of high lows. Well, let me not go say that first. I see a lot of sellers exhaustion here within this 23.6 range. Now, it would have been different if I saw more buying exhaustion. That would have validated a sell to one of our PRZ levels. Our main PRZ levels at 38.2, 61.8, 78.6, 88.6. But I see more sellers exhaustion, meaning that we're going to get some type of continuation. Okay, as I break that area down to the 30-minute time frame, I also see a nice opportunity to draw a counter trend line, but it's not breaking; it's respecting it. Right, we're creating high lows, and I see an opportunity to draw a counter trend line right here in this range. Right, I was able to see that more clearly in the 15-minute time frame. Got my counter trend line here. We got tested levels of resistance. We got a break of resistance up here, retest to our support level, buy opportunity right here, right? This is a bullish variation, 1-2 candle, overlap this, guys, man, right now. If I was saw this a lot earlier, I would have been in this trade, man. Market has already moved 31 pips. So I'm not going to enter the trade right now. I've missed my opportunity, but one thing we may see is a level. We might get a test somewhere here. I'm not sure. We might see price create another lower high to give us another opportunity to enter this trade come 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna be looking at USD CAD for buy opportunity. Yeah, we're looking to buy this market, but I mean the thing is so bullish right now. Man, goodness, I would have been up right now, but it's all good. My second pair I'm looking at is Gbpjpy. Gbpjpy is playing out perfectly. As you can see on the H4 time frame, man. If I draw my fibs, let me draw my fibs again. Draw my fibs. If I draw my fibs from high to low, you guys see we're almost approaching 78.6. This is my target zone. This is where I'm going to snipe it. I believe in the next couple of hours, we can get a push to 78.6. That's where I'm going to be looking to enter my sell opportunity. And the reason I have that zone there is because if we look left, right, this area right here was a level of resistance, right? It was also a level where we had a counter trend line in the small time frame. We had a retest. So we might get a retest back to that level and possibly reject and break those equal highs around here. So we might get that nice push up, right, based on the retest over here. So that's what I'm looking for. But anyways, in this area, I see nice buying exhaustion. Break that area down to the 30 minutes, see what it looks like. I like my chances better on the 15 with GJ simply because it's so volatile. So we got an opportunity to draw a counter trend line here, man. One thing we may see is once we get a break of a level of support, looks like it's getting ready to happen. One thing I want to see is something like this on the retest. I want to see price get to that level. I want to see if we get price to this level. Only thing I'm looking for is a lot of buying exhaustion, and I'm looking for that that bearish engulf and a bearish variation, and I'm looking to snipe the sell. Right. Obviously, we monitor our trades on the on our structured time frame. So I'll be monitoring my trades on this time frame. Obviously, you know how it goes, guys. TP1 long term. If I hold it, TP1 will be here, to negative 27%, which is 407 pips. I am going to hold this trade, but I'm looking for that. So these are my only two pairs I'll be trading, guys. I want you to go back, look at it. This is my second time recording a video. I did a recording on these two pairs literally 20 minutes ago, but guys, I went more detailed in it, but I don't know what happened to my recording. It was acting up, didn't save. But yeah, guys, these are the two pairs I'm focused on. I just showed you what I'm looking for for this to play out. So it'll be GJ and USDCad. So USDCad, as you can see, the dollar's getting stronger. I'm gonna try to look for another opportunity to enter the market. Bitcoin, you know, Bitcoin is a little funky right now. I like to see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, you could look for sell opportunities as well in Bitcoin. Right now, I'm waiting for myself to activate simply because we just got a break of support and break of kind of trend line. But as you notice, it came up here. I don't see any major level resistance up here. So what price may end up doing is, you know, going back up here to create another resistance and drop, or we might go up here and drop. So either or, man, I'm just looking. But right now, as I look left, I don't see a major area of resistance. I don't even count this a resistance because if I scale back into the 30-minute, that wasn't a resistance. So price just created its own resistance. Nice test off the back of the trend line, which is also valid. It's good. I mean, it tested support, but I want to see another touch. A second touch is always what I go for. And we see the second touch, and I will execute this. I would execute this trade, right? So this is my analysis, guys. You guys let me know what you think on Facebook. If you agree, disagree, if you see the same thing, just give me a thumbs up. And guys, yeah, man, that's all I got. Enjoy the week. I'll see you guys on Tuesday for our 9 p.m. live session. Have a great week.